हेलो फर्स्टली थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग सेकेंडली मुझे ना दुल्हन बनने की बहुत आदत पड़ चुकी है कुछ ज़्यादा ही तो द थिंग इज फॉर मी इट्स आई फाइंड इट वेरी कंफर्टिंग दैट आई एम वेयरिंग समथिंग सो कंफर्टेबल येट सो डिफरेंट जो इनकी कलेक्शन है उसका नाम है बहिष्ट जिसका अर्थ ये होता है हेवन या पैराडाइज. So I think that's something so surreal, so beautiful. So he plays with colors like the blues and the oranges. So you talk about the perfect wedding on a beach by the sunset. I think he creates that magic with his clothes. जी जी.
किसने बोला आपकी दोस्ती शादी?
My movies coming. मेरी रियल लाइफ में नहीं, बस जैसे इस मूवी में मैं 3 बार दुल्हन बनी हूँ, तो इतना हैवी पहन के ना कई बार कोई बोर हो जाता है. आई लव हाउ मॉडर्न हिज क्रिएशन इज येट इट्स सो ट्रेडिशनल. बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई फील दैट इट्स अबाउट द पर्सन ऑल्सो कि कौन क्या कैरी कर पाता है. बट मुझे पहन के तो बहुत मजा आया.
So it's always lovely being part of India Beach Fashion Week, primarily because it is held in Goa, and it's a great opportunity for me to go back home. The designers that show again is a very different collection that is showed at other fashion weeks. So it's very interesting. For example, what I'm wearing from Liddy this evening is very Grecian inspired and very flowy, beautiful cuts. And I'm looking forward to her entire collection. Not seen it yet, but I heard there are a lot of pastels, and Aphrodite is the name of the collection.
सोफी जी आप बताइए.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sophie G. My God, बहुत ही formal कर दिया. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Actually, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि I'm here for this particular event because I've just landed from Goa and I feel I'm already back in Goa. Literally, I've run from the airport and come here, but Rocky, जब मैं Bombay shift हुई थी, Rocky was actually my first friend, and I've always loved his style. It's very cool, it's very chic, it's quite understated. In fact, Itna Bling is actually a lot by Rocky standards, but I love that the clothes are so easy to wear. It's almost trendy resort wear that you can wear in the evenings when you're going out. Easy to pack, easy to carry, easy to style. And very classy and chic. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's lovely to be here with all the lovely ladies and the designers. And I think your event has been doing really well. So I'm looking forward to seeing all the other designers as well and being a part of it.
Vikram?
Birthday boy.
Vikram, yours will be the closing act for the Fashion Week. So what kind of innovations can we expect this time around in terms of designs from your end?
This is the Destination Bride show. I've normally done lots of heavy Indian wear. This is bridal wear. Like I said, the name of the collection is Bahish, which means paradise. I've tried to. The show is in Goa. It's an India Beach Fashion Week. It's the whole feel is very nature inspired. There's lots of blues, greens, golds, greys, and I think my choreographer Alison is really doing a great job on creating a dramatic set. I'm showing 55 garments, which is the closing show. And it's going to be larger than life, so I'm hoping that whatever I've visioned for the finale, it looks like a dramatic finale.
Rocky, a word from you on the designs that you will be showcasing.
I'm showcasing evening wear. India Beach Fashion Week also is about destination. It's about going, having a party time, enjoying yourself, cruise collection, so. My collection is called Visa. It's about discovering yourself. It's for women who are confident, who like to travel, they like to pick up things from different part of the world, and they yet want to stand out in the crowd. And Sophie is just perfect for it.
Who will be the showstopper for yours as well as yours?
You'll have to wait. I think today Sophie is my showstopper, and she'll always be my showstopper.
And Vikram, what about you? Who can we expect?
I don't think anyone.
Why?
Because he's a showstopper.
No, because if I have one, it's great. If I don't have, you can't go for a designer show keeping into mind what that last garment is going to be. I think we work really, really hard to put a collection out there, and I think it is what photograph we can get. I'm not saying that I don't have showstoppers. The idea is to create drama. It is to create magic, and I do this thing. But it's not the be all and end all of a fashion show. So I really don't know. During the way, if I have one, it's great. If I don't have one also, it's the collection that has to speak. It's our hard work of me and my team that has to be on the runway, not just that one face which closes the show.
From Bollywood, that is.
Where else were you expecting from?
After all that is like from Bollywood.
Tom Cruise and Madonna are not coming here.
Thank you very much.
I know that's one of your favorite questions, including every event. I know that you'll ask me this question, but just hold on. When there's something I can speak about, you all two will be the first ones I tell.
Thank you guys very much.
Great, looks lovely. What has the experience been like? And
More than this time, like this.
sorry, we couldn't hear you. If you could just.
Modern silhouettes, new silhouettes. And it's called Pristine, so it's all mainly in white. Light collection like this. People can wear it for cocktails, for weddings. An adventurous bride could also wear it for a wedding.
You know, challenges are wrong word perhaps to use in terms of a veteran like you, a legend like you, but any challenges in designing such sort of a beautiful
No,
dress?
it comes naturally, I think. Thank you.
तरह के अटायर प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं आप, उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बहुत जानना चाहते हैं।
हाँ, तो हमारी जो कलेक्शन है बहुत ही फास्ट फैशन टाइप है, जो हर यंग लड़की, हर एज की लड़की पहन सकती है, और ये कलेक्शन बहुत अफोर्डेबल है। हाय, हमारे ब्रांड का Hi, we are here, Dolly Sivani and me, and our third partner, Nandita Mehdani. Unfortunately, she couldn't make it. She was in Pune for a shoot. But we are here to present our collection for Love Gen. Our brand is called Love Gen. It's available at all Shopper Stop and online on lovegen.com. And I'm going to give the mic to Dolly. She'll tell you a little bit about the collection.
So our collection is the Autumn Winter 17 collection. It's a Ram to Rack collection, and we have various little mini collections within this. So you'll see a back to school where we have a lot of jumpsuits and really cool track pants and different things. And then we have Kalani Cadet with a lot of olives. There are lots of cool things. There's a lot of white, a lot of retro, cool clothes.
And also we are going to be showcasing our party collection, which will be coming out in December. So the minute when you see it, very soon, within 15 days, you'll be able to buy a party collection as well. Thank you. Yeah, so we travel a lot. That's where we get inspired from. And if you see our clothes, like what Dolly's wearing or what I'm wearing or what Nidhi was wearing earlier, it's all it has a lot of international sensibilities, but it suits all Indian bodies. So that's the whole idea.
एयरपोर्ट फैशन भी आजकल ट्रेंडिंग में है, तो आपका क्या टेक होगा उस पर?
हमारा बहुत अच्छा टेक होगा because I think our brand is perfect for airport travel and everyone must source from us.
And a lot of people are wearing it for airport travel.
Yeah.
And भावना जी, हमारे पास जो खबरें हैं कि आपकी डॉटर अनन्या जी है वो
This thing is about love, and let's stick to that, please. Bye bye.
Right, Sanusha?
Hello, I'm just here, ma'am.